Pastelbord holds layers of pastel unlike any pastel paper. It starts as a hardboard sealed with Ampersand's Archivist seal, and then we coat it with a clay ground featuring a marble dust finish for tooth. Layer upon layer of pastels can be applied as the marble dust finish holds it to the surface. Watch how many layers we can add, each one covering the one before. Pastelbord works great with any dry pigment media, from its intended use with pastels to colored pencil, watercolor pencils, charcoal, and Conte crayon. Look at this colored pencil drawing by Ranjini Venkashari. Pastelbord allows her to layer and blend to achieve this level of realism and depth. Pastelbord's unique absorbent coating, along with its rigid and sealed wood backing, allows you to use it for wet or dry applications. For example, the surface disperses acrylic colors, resulting in exciting fluidity and blending not achievable on any other surface. You can even use thin applications of ink, watercolor, or acrylic to tone the white pastelbord to any color you like. Pastelbord is its own drawing board too, so you don't have to stretch or mount paper, and it's perfect for plein air painting. Pastelbord is available in 4 colors: gray, sand, white, and green. Pastelbord is available uncradled in sizes from 5 by 7 up to 24 by 36 inches.